This brand is from Train Technologies and is sold by factory-authorized dealers in the USA and Canada. Most of the units use full louvered metal panel construction to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage. They have a durable appliance-grade finish as well as rust-resistant screws to keep the units looking good for many years. The units use all aluminum spine-fin coils that are efficient at transferring heat and highly resistant to corrosion, but they are harder to keep clean, which can lower overall system performance. The units use electronic demand defrost, which saves energy but are only backed by an average guarantee that does not include total unit replacement in case of compressor failure. The silver 13.4 models are basic heat pumps with a 13.4 SEER cooling efficiency and a 7 HSPF heating efficiency. The smaller sizes, 2 to 3.5 ton, have variable speed blower motors for quieter operation, while the larger sizes only have standard PSC motors. The silver 13.4/under models are more of a basic builder-grade heat pump that uses a wire grill to protect the condenser coil, which does not actually do much to protect from hail or debris thrown by a lawnmower. The Gold 15 units are premium heat pumps with a 15.2 SEER cooling efficiency and a 7.5 HSPF heating efficiency. They have two-stage compressors and variable speed blowers on all sizes for quiet and efficient operation. The Gold 15 models have a better warranty than the Silver 13.4 with a 12-year guarantee on the compressor, which is the heart of any heat pump. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.